At various points, caring physicians who believed in being helpful and informative went and told her things like, your daughter's going to die and you better prepare yourself for that. It helps the clinician essentially share what they know about the optimal path that the patient should take and ensure that the patient understands the instructions, can share those instructions and action them in a way that allows the healthcare team to keep monitoring them.